the faces, because it is understood that the body of the Lord must be also experiencing the humility that is there in this part of the country. So to wipe out the bits of sweat, the servitors also provide that. And this is how it is being done. The celebration is going on. And this is the way the gong beaters, they would be standing on the floor of the chariot, sounding their gongs, as that produces the inspiration, motivation for the devotees, or those people, those who are there to drag the chariot. The four ropes, they have also got names. Nothing is ignoble. Everything is noble. Even a streak of grass is also not ignoble. Everything has a character. Everything has a place in the devotion. Without that, nothing can be possible, because everything has been coded and decoded in the practice and worship of Lord Jagannatha. And it is there, an intrinsic part of the Jagannatha consciousness. This is how the maneuvering is done, and the silken ropes that is used by the devotees, by the servitors. Now this is how the people are trying out their luck to have a piece of holy vessel. And this is how Lord is being moved inside the inner precincts or into the main canopy, or we can say that to be the sanctum of the chariot. The Lord has just stepped onto the floor of the chariot, and the chariot has been decorated beautifully. And for the last many years, we have been witnessing the more of floral decoration is being done. And the same way, the chariot, when that would be returning to the main temple, this is the outward journey, and when the inward journey, the chariots are kept ready, the same type of floral decorations would be there. That is done courtesy of the temple administration. And it doesn't require any servitor or any designated person from any mutt or monastery to do that. This is done courtesy temple administration, because temple administration is responsible to oversee that everything goes smoothly, beautifully, and suitable to the magnificence of the Lords. This is how it happens, and Lord would be there, and it is a beautiful sight to be seen when the torso of the Lord would be just given a twist so that the Lord would face towards south. Now the Lord is facing inside, and the Lord would be facing to the front of the chariot. And that movement is a particular moment when the devotees, they get ecstatic at the view of meeting with the large eyes of Lord Jagannatha. This is how the Lord is being taken, because this part is little difficult, because this place is small, the width is less, and Lord has to get inside. And this is how it is being done. And after that, when the Lords are first there, now tethering will be there, the Rundha, that will be done, and after that, the other rituals would be covered. And the other highlighted ritual would be the Chera Pahara, or the holy sweeping ritual, that would be conducted by none other than the Gajapati Maharaja himself. And in the absence of Gajapati Maharaja himself, there is the other designated person, is also a young boy, is put into the service. And this is how the Lord is getting into the chariot. It is a beautiful moment. It's a moment to be experienced. It is a moment to be not just seen, it is a moment to be felt. That is how there is a crowd, and the senior servitors of Daitapati order, they are all around the Lord, so that nothing untoward happens and everything gets smoothly and comfortably. This is how it happens. Senior servitors, they are overseeing, and they are also engaging the younger servitors, the younger Daitapatis, to be in the training, because without training, without the motivation, nothing can be possible. And this is the chariot of Lord Jagannatha. Arame Murali Siri परसिथि पुच्छ कटी कटे पीताम्बर करते थे सहचरों को प्रभु नयन से इशारे अक्सर वृंदावन के रास वो बास थे अतीब प्रिय तुम्हारे प्रभु जगन्नाथ नयनों के पथ दर्शन दीजिए मेरे। महाप्रभु श्री जगन्नाथ की पावनी घोष यात्रा के पुण्य अवसर पर ये पहंडी का अंतिम क्षण आप देख रहे हैं। रथारूढ़ हो रहे हैं जगन्नाथ महाप्रभु। महाप्रभु श्री जगन्नाथ जी, ये जिसे भक्त कवि हरिश्चंद्र ने देखा ही जैसे भगवान को, क्या कहा, न शकल की मूलमयी, वेदन की भेदमयी, ग्रंथन की तत्वमयी, वादन के जाल की, मन बुद्धि सीमामयी, सृष्टि हु की आदिमयी, देवन की पूजामयी, जीवमयी काल की, ध्यानमयी ज्ञानमयी, शोभामयी सुखमयी, गोपी गोप गाय ब्रज भागमयी भाल की, भक्त अनुरागमयी, राधिका सुहागमयी, प्राणमयी प्रेममयी, मूर्त गोपाल की। ये साक्षात गोपाल मूर्ति आ रहे हैं। महाप्रभु श्री जगन्नाथ जी रथारूढ़ हो रहे हैं नंदी घोष पर। ये देख रहे हैं घंटाधारी कितने ताल मिला मिला करके घंट बजाते आते हैं, कमर हिला हिला करके, कमर हिला हिला करके एक नाद एक लय एक ताल एक भाव में झूमते गाते और महाप्रभु के लिए ये सेवा प्रदान कर रहे हैं। महाप्रभु जिसे मुनिवर जति करहि जई ध्याना, नेति नेति कह वेद पुराना, सो प्रभु दीन बंधु सुख राशि, अखिल अनंत लखा विनाशी, सोई नीलमा धवतनुधारी, नीलाचल गिरि गुहा विहारी, भूरि भाग्य भाजन में भाई, भरी नयन देखी हूँ छवि जाई। प्रभु का ये सुंदर सिमुख देखने के लिए आज अनंत भक्त यहाँ उपस्थित है। विद्यापति को भी ये अवसर मिला था, हमें भी मिल रहा है, करोड़ों लाखों भक्तों को भी ये अवसर मिल रहा है दूरदर्शन के माध्यम से, विभिन्न माध्यम से। महाप्रभु श्री जगन्नाथ जी आ रहे हैं। उन्हें पाट रज्जु से बंधा हुआ है, पाट रज्जु से बंधा अंग श्री कस कस के बैठ बैठ आ रहे हैं प्रभु मेदिनी धंस धंस के, विश्वावसुवंशी अवतंसी दैतापति, भाव भक्त कसते जाते हैं जग के पति। आज स्वयं कर रहे हैं पदार्पण जग करता, दर्शन से अवसाद सभी मन का हरता। सभी भक्तों का मन के अवसाद को हरण करते हुए, गमन करते हुए आज रथारूढ़ हो रहे महाप्रभु। महाप्रभु रथारूढ़ हो रहे हैं। जो अगुण अरूप अलख अब्ज जोई, भगत प्रेम बस सगुन सोई। आज सगुन मानो हो करके वो भक्तों के प्रेम से लबालब हो करके आ रहे हैं। यहाँ उत्कल प्रसंग